Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can disable a device in your Windows 11 operating system. So how you can do that, okay? Disable device or driver, okay? So first of all go to start bar and search here computer management, okay? You can see the computer management option and click on it and it will open, okay? And slide down a little bit and you can see here the device manager, okay? So in the device manager you can see there are lots of devices. I have lots of devices, okay? So suppose that in audio, okay, in audio we want to uninstall this driver, okay? So I want to uninstall this driver. How I can do that? Okay, uninstall or actually disable it, okay? So just right click on this driver and you can disable the device here, okay? Driver device, okay, select your device and right click on it and you can disable it, okay? So that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for being here. Bye.